Hello, welcome to our week maths. So we've got days 1 and 2, we've got counting and comparing coins. So going back to our money. We've got day 3 and 4 is our writing and comparing time, so a lot of comparing this week. And day 5 is going back to our number bonds, ready for the summer term. So we think again we've got our activities, so no investigation this week. Go back to our activities between 1, 2 and 3. Remember, easiest one is number 1. When you finish that, go on to number 2. Remember, if it's too hard, don't worry, just move on to the next activity, which is the reasoning. So just go through together. Right, so if we have a look at day 1, we've got our counting coins to 50p. So we've got our counting by 2s, 5s and 10s, and try and go as far as you can. So if you can go up to 100, or you can go only up to 50, or you can only go up to 70, that's okay. Have a go. Make sure you count slowly, think about what you're counting, and look at your links there to help you count up to as far as you can. Now we've got one here with our coins, so we've got our counting. So remembering these are our 5p coins. So if we look at how much money do we have in that row? So we're going to count by 5. So we say 5, 10, 15. So in that row we have 15p. Going on to the next one, we've got our 2p coins and our 1p coins. So counting in 2s and 1s. I want you to tell me how many coins you have and how much do you have altogether for that one. So we're looking at our activities. Remember, activity 1 is our easiest, then we move on to number 2 and then number 3. Number 3 gets a little bit more challenging. So activity 1 is counting each row. So how much money do we have in each row? So having a look here, we've got our bronze coins, they're the 1p coins. So we're counting in, no they're not, they're the 2p coins. Okay, got that one mixed up, so that's alright. 2p coins. So we're having a look, remember, counting in 2s, and then on this side we've got our 10 and 5p. So we've got 5p and 10p, so counting in 5s and 10s. So try to remember how to do that. You remember, go back to the links if you need help. Activity 2, I'm going to explain activity 2, I don't normally, but this one is matching the purse to the sweets. So making sure you count up how many is in each purse, and then you think, okay, what can I buy? Can I buy the sweet, can I buy the chocolate bar, or can I buy the lollipop? So think about what can you buy with your purse as well. Right, then we've got some reasoning questions. Now we've got here Tommy, he's got his piggy bank there, and he's got lots of 2p, 5p and 10p coins. If he uses only one coin at a time, so if he only uses, let's say 2p for now, and he wants to make 30p. So how many 2p coins will he need to make 30p? So we need to count in 2. So if we start, we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. And that was 15 coins. So maybe you could write it down to help you. And then you can use 5p coins. How many 5p coins will he need? And how many 10p coins will he need to get to 30? Okay, and remember, my maths, extra work, and if you have anything you want to show me, pictures or any work, send them through on Twitter or email. I'd love to see it. See you tomorrow.